Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the 4G data speed test signals between the Mi11X versus the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro. So I'm using the Realme X7 Pro for the past few months. I never had any problem with the 4G data or speeds in this Realme X7 Pro. So let's compare side by side, friends. So which phone will be having the better 4G data speed test results? And in this test, I'll be using the 4G SIM card from the Idea network. So this is the Idea 4G network which I'll be trying to use, and I'll try to do this kind of testing in the real time. So first I'll try to do in this Mi11X device, and later I'll try to remove the SIM from this phone and I'll try to use in this Realme X7 Pro. So this is how I'll be doing all this kind of 4G data speed test comparisons in all of my videos in my channel. So instead of using two different SIMs of same network, I'm trying to use the same SIM in both phones at same time. So this might give you the little bit kind of accurate results for yourself. So let me try to start the test first in this Mi11X device. So it is the Mi11X device and the speed test. Let me try to disconnect the Wi-Fi and use only the 4G data. So since the test is about 4G signal, and you can see the 4G signals are really strong enough. So full 4G signals we are getting. Let me try to go to the settings and show you what type of network it is. You can see the Idea network clearly. So it is a 4G. So let me try to start the test, and I'll try to do the test 4G test for 3 times in each smartphone. So in each phone I'll try to do the test 3 times so we can get the average of overall. So the 4G signals in this Mi11X is very strong, friends. I was able to reach 50 Mbps of speeds in this phone, which is really amazing when you compare with other smartphones. So I'm not staying in the metropolitan city, so this is a small town. So still I was able to get that kind of 50 Mbps of speeds. It's really good. So my Wi-Fi connection speed is only 40 Mbps. So that is what's shocking for me, friends. So let's see what will be the results are in this Realme X7 Pro device. If you compare both phones side by side, so we might be able to see the difference. So in case if you want to install this kind of TikTok wallpaper, live wallpaper in your smartphone, so make sure to check those video, friends, which is available there. So check the links in description. Also you can find those links available in the description as well, how you can actually install. So I'll try to use this SIM card removal pin, and I'll try to transfer the SIM from this phone to this phone as well. So right now the speed is about 31 Mbps I'm getting. So let me try to do the test again. So this is the third time I'm trying to do the test. So first time it went up to close to 40 Mbps of speeds. So this is the third time I'm trying to do 49, 50 Mbps, 51 Mbps. I think 51 Mbps is the highest so far. So it will be like a commentary in the cricket match, friends, whenever I do this kind of testing. So 47 Mbps. And upload speeds right now it increased. So this is the first time I'm seeing this much of highest upload speeds so far. So 6 Mbps of the upload speeds I'm getting here. That's a very good speed. So once this has been completed, so let me try to remove the SIM card from this phone. So overall the top 3 results which I did right now. So you can see the timing as well, 11:45, 11:46 and 11:47 AM. So the timing. So don't check the below ones, check only the top 3 ones. So this with the 4G connection. So let me try to take out the SIM card from this phone. So the SIM card has been removed successfully from this phone, from this Mi11X, and let me try to keep it in this Realme X7 Pro device. So it is a Realme X7 Pro, and let me try to remove the SIM card. Let me try to keep this 4G SIM here, and let's see, friends, what will be the results are in this Realme X7 Pro. So what results we might get here. So let me try to disable the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi connection is disabled and the 4G signals are connected, and you can see the signal bar, it's not completely full. So in the Mi11X device the signal bar is completely full, but right now there is only 3 points, so one bar is not full, as you can see here clearly. So let me try to open the speed test application right now. So speed test application. So let's test the 4G signal finally in this phone. So we might be able to see the difference, friends. So let's see how much difference we might be seeing between these both phones. So as I said, I'm using only Idea SIM throughout this time. So Idea 4G network. So it went up to 33, 34, 35. So 35 Mbps. So not too bad, but still it was less than this Mi11X device. So that is what you need to remember, friends. So this all test, the point of doing this video is just to compare both phones, how much results will be there in between both the phones. So first time when I did 32 and 12.9, 13 Mbps, not bad. So next, let me try to do the second time again. So let's see what will be the highest score recorded in this meter. So 16, 15, 18, 21, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26. As you can see, friends, it's not going above 40, I would say. Definitely it's staying between 30 and 40 only, so it's not crossing 40 mark. So that's a kind of disappointing in this Realme X7 Pro device. So same SIM card, same location, at same time I'm trying to do this kind of testing. So in these circumstances, the Mi11X phone is slightly better in terms of giving you the better results in terms of 4G data. So this is the third time I'm doing. Third time it decreased completely to 10 Mbps. So I'm using only the 4G. So no other application, no VPN, nothing is connected. Only 4G. So 11 Mbps, friends. So absolutely the clear winner is the Mi11X device, which has got very good results. 47 Mbps. That's a really high score. 47 Mbps. So let's compare the highest right now. The highest right now we got only 32.7 Mbps. So this is the highest so far. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. And thank you for watching this. Just a small comparison in terms of the 4G data speeds. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.